Hey guys, it's Marcus here from AffiliateMarketingDude.com, the money-getting forum where you can get all kinds of tips, tricks, videos, and everything to make money online as an affiliate marketer. And what I'm going to do in this short little video is I'm going to show you how to take a simple WordPress blog like our blog over at AffiliateOffers.net and turn it into a lead-generating machine. Now, the problems with WordPress is the fact that you can have pages, you can have posts, and the problem is that all the widgets are always the same no matter what you do. Okay, so if I have pages, if I have posts, it's all the same. So what we want to do is we want to edit this to where we can make it like a lead generating page. So what we're going to do is go over to our dashboard, and you're going to notice that I have several different plugins down here on the bottom left. I have Redirect, Grid Tracker, Tracker, Monetize, and Widget Control. These are the plugins that you're going to need to turn your blog into a money-getting machine. Now, these come with your active subscription to Blog Profit Network, which is one of my products where you can get all the tools for WordPress marketing. So that's at blogprofitnetwork.com/go. You could sign up there, get my software and my plugins, and start making money right away. For right now, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to use these. First and foremost, step one, you need to take control of your blog by controlling the home page. Now you're going to notice that right now on our home page, if I was to go to affiliateoffers.net like this, right, you're going to notice that we just have the latest posts. The way that you change this is by going to the dashboard, going to Settings, Reading, and in the Readings tab, you are going to see Front Page Displays. Okay, that means if they go to your main site, this is what they're going to see. So instead of having our latest post, we're going to go to a static page. And we're going to choose one of our pages. We'll choose sample page since this is a test. And we're going to hit save. So now we should have just a blank regular old page with regular ugly uncategorized sidebars. Okay, this is what you should have now if you're following along, where we go to our home page and we have sample page with leave a reply, blah, 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 blah. Okay, very simple. Next, what we want to do is we want to go back to our dashboard. We want to go into Appearance and Widgets. And what we're going to do is we're going to give the Widget Control plugin control of our blog and our sidebar stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down till we see Widget Control. And we're going to drag this, I just hold down my mouse and drag this up here to the primary widget area and let go. Okay? What that's going to do is instead of this junk, is it's going to allow Widget Control to actually control the sidebar stuff. Okay? And I'll show you how that works. Basically, once we do this, we go down to Widget Control and we go into Widget Control under the Introduction tab right here. So Widget Control. And we can set this up. Now you'll notice opt-in 1, 2, affiliates, thank you, sales, all this other stuff here. Okay, what you're going to notice is that we can now control the sidebar ads. So I could say, hey, I want to show this in pages or posts or whatever. So what I'm going to do for my opt-in page is I'm going to choose no home page, yes pages, no posts. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down here. I can add images or something if I want. So if I wanted to put like some arrows or something, all I'd have to do is hit upload files, select, grab some kind of arrows or something from our pictures folder. Let's see if we have some kind of arrows pointing down. We can use something like this, right, like that. Okay, now we have this image here. Center it. We're not going to link it because we don't need to link it. And we could do full size right like this. Okay, very simple. Insert into post. Now you can see that we have our fancy arrow here. Okay. Next, what we want to do is choose our Aweber list name. This has to match a list name in your Aweber account. Okay, so you go into Aweber, you create a new list. The name that you choose is the name you use here. Next, we choose a thank you page, or a thank you post, as it were. And we're going to choose this post, which is thank you for joining. So we just copy the URL here, and we put that as our thank you post. That means after they put their name and email, this is where they're going to go. Then we choose some bullets like free affiliate offer reviews, whatever, you know, choose some stuff related on your keywords. If you have recipes, do barbecue recipes, dinner recipes, plus free tips on how to cook or whatever. Okay? We have a default privacy policy, which is the default from Aweber, so we're going to keep that the same. We're not going to put anything in here. And we're going to hit Update Opt-in 1. Now what happens is on our pages, you're going to see we now have the arrow and the opt-in. Okay, cool. So they can put their name and email. Once they put their name and email, they go to our thank you post. Now you'll notice that the thank you post still has the uncategorized. Okay, this is because we haven't configured it in widget control. So we're going to configure that in widget control. So we have our opt-in page here. Okay, this is all our info. Then we go back to our affiliates or our thank you. Okay, this is our thank you page. So we can go in here and say, well, this is a thank you, which is a post. So we're going to say yes posts. We're going to hide the title, and we can put whatever we want here. Okay, so if you had an affiliate banner or something you wanted to put here, we can go in, hit add media, or you can put a code or whatever you want. So let's say we wanted to put a max bounty offer on our thank you page. We just go and find an offer. We could do like BizOp or something. Search campaigns, and all we have to do is find some campaign that works. Let's say we'll do success system or something like that. Okay, that pays on a lead, or work at home moms or whatever, right? We pick anything that fits. Okay, so let's do Avon recruitment. Now we'll do Gold Rush BizOp. Okay, $53 a sale. So all we have to do is go and get a banner, right, like this, and choose a banner that fits nicely. We could do something like this, 301. All right, so all we have to do is copy the code, right, like this, and pop this onto our widget control. Okay, so we're going to exit this, and we're going to do text because this is code. Paste this in here, and then once it's updated, you'll notice on your page it actually shows. Okay, so there's our ad. Now we have our ad, we have our thank you for joining. Now what happens is you'll notice again that on our sample page we have the opt-in, but on our thank you post we have our ads. Okay, that's what widget control allows you to do, is control your blog like that. So now all we have to do is kind of configure our sample page to be really cool so that people opt in. So if we were to do edit, and we go into edit, and let's say we wanted like a video or something. So we're going to say free affiliate marketing software. Okay, we could go to our YouTube account or whatever you use for your videos. Okay, we can get a video that basically says, hey, here's the free software, here's how to download it. Okay, all we have to do is get the code here. We'll get the share code, and we're going to get the embed code. Okay, this works with any video you make. We're not going to do the playlist. We'll do show more, and let's see, custom size. We're going to do 640. Let's do custom size 700, and then it should automatically do it. So we'll do 700 wide by 394, and then let's see here. Okay, now we should be ready to go. So we're not going to show related videos. Okay, good. We're ready to go. We take this and we post it right into our affiliate marketing site here, and we hit update. So that's the only content. Now watch what happens here. It makes it really, really easy to look at. So now when we view the page, we have our wonderful video, and it looks like it's a little bit too big, so we'll shrink that down a little. We'll do 640. Okay, copy it again. Text, and right like that, update. Now that should look a little bit better. And let's see. All right, so now when we reload this, right like this, now we have our video and we have our opt-in. Now, because it's got the comments and stuff here, we want to put some other stuff below, okay, or we can shrink the arrow. So if you wanted to shrink the arrow, all you'd have to do is go back to opt-in 1 and just kind of drag and drop and shrink this guy down so that it fits a little bit better, okay? And then we hit update, right like this, and now we should have a fancified little arrow and our opt-in box. So it lines up nicely with the video, free affiliate marketing software, got the video that tells them to opt in, and yes, let me in. Now, if you want to remove comments, very simple. All you have to do is go back into your blog, go into, I believe it is under Appearance, and you're going to do Themes. Okay, so what you want to do is go to Themes, and you can go through and choose your theme. We're going to go to Editor. Once you go into Editor, you go to Pages. Okay, we're going to go Page Template, right like this. And then all you have to do is look for this little Contents template. Okay, delete that, scroll down, hit Update, and now the comments will be deleted. So now we got a fancy little nice looking opt-in page on our blog. Now the cool thing about this is people can't get to our content unless they opt in. Okay, that's the beauty of widget control. It allows you to change your thank you page. So on my thank you page in widget control, I can go widget control, and I can go to recent posts and recent comments. So the recent posts, it's actually going to show us the recent stuff. So we could put cool, free, let's see here, free content. Okay, and we can put like show in posts, yes, how many to display. We can go in here and do like 10 or 5 or whatever. Oh, let's see, wrong button. Go in and do like 5. And again, you can put little things above it or whatever you want as well. And we'll update that, and you'll notice on your thank you page now we're going to have cool free content where Google and the people can see this, but only after opting in, which is really cool. So now we got this ready. We can go in here and edit and say thanks for joining. Here's where to get the free stuff I promised you in the video, blah, 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 blah. So now we have this ready to go, ready to rock and roll, and we can run it on paid ads, we can run it on free traffic, YouTube, whatever, and we can now collect leads, which is really cool. So that's how you turn your blog into a simple lead getting machine. In the next video, I'll show you how to track things and everything like that. So hop on over to affiliatemarketingdude.com, get involved in the forum, ask your questions, and we'll make it happen.